Rear Admiral Joseph C. Executive Squadron, Philippine Coast Guard ay sinibak dahil natuklasang isang Chinese spy pala. Pambansang punong himpilan, tanod baybayin ng Pilipinas. Appointment pursuant to Headquarter of Philippine Coast Guard Memorandum Circular 01-14 dated 6 June 2016. Mr. Joseph C. is hereby appointed to the service of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Executive Squadron with the honorary rank of Auxiliary Commodore effective this date. By command of Admiral Hermohino, Official Eduardo D. Fabricante, Commodore, Philippine Coast Guard, Chief of Staff Coast Guard, Lecel B. Bautista, LCDR, Philippine Coast Guard Adjutant. Si Joseph C. ay honorary chairman din ng Philippine Silk Road International Chamber of Commerce na may kaugnayan sa One Belt, One Road Initiative, economic trap ng China patungo sa pagiging virtual colony ng isang bansa. Sa pamamagitan ng mga Peking dokumento ay nagawa ni C na parang siya ay legitimate at tunay na Pilipino. Sa kasalukuyan ay nakadetain si C at nakatakdang i-deport.